My 2016 EDC. Galaxy S6 Edge. Love this phone. Wallet. I don't carry much. ID, concealed carry, credit card. That's all I need. Super thin, lightweight. Chapstick. This pin, it's a bolt action pin. It's made out of deer antler. Super cool pin. You can replace the ink in it. Carry that every day at work. Keys. This little mag light. It is an LED little mag light. It's tiny, small. I like to keep it small, light. This knife. I carry this knife every day. It's kind of like a switchblade. Just hit the button. Got this at a local knife shop. Cecil Knife Company. $40. I thought $40 for a push button knife. It's a great deal. I use it a lot. So. And the G43 extended mag. So I get 8+1 tritium sights. The belt clip. That's my lightweight EDC. I mean, all that fits on me, no bulk, you know, and that's what I'm rocking, 2016. Thanks for watching.